Well, it's 8:05 in the morning. Road trip to Essex. Unbelievably, thank you to Alex, we found a front panel for the Saab. It's missing the bit under the grille, which is also rotten, but the main structural part we've got, along with the, they call it the front floor, it's the bit which goes, or the exhaust goes through it and the engine sits on top of it. It's the most rotten part of the front of the car. I bought a rusty one. So we found that on Monday. Was Monday? Yeah, so going to Essex, well, today, Wednesday, to pick it up. Why not? It's only 3.5 hours away. So, car keys. So, off we go. Ignore that. Alright, mate, I'm from Essex, innit? You probably don't speak like that. Well, here we are, Clacton-on-Sea, well, Clacton and Holland-on-Sea. The bit is in the back. Just gone for a little walk on the beach, and now it's time to go home. Don't look inside my car. What do you think you are? Or who do you think you are? But I have noticed that everyone spits like this. Well, I can't really do the accent, but so I'm going on about that bloody Miracle Grow. Miracle Grow, innit, for your plants. No, it's a really nice place actually, I do like it here, and it just feels really weird looking out towards Sweden. Well, Sweden's that sort of way, isn't it? It's on that bit. I mean, the thing is, living in Dorset, yes, it's by the sea, but it's not, I don't seem to go there that often because it's very touristy. I mean, even on a weekday like this, it'd be heaving, but here, it's absolutely silent. I mean, I think a load of school kids came on, well, like high school kids, obviously some sort of school trip. But that's about it, and just a couple of fishermen and a couple of people with their beach huts, and it's just a lovely place. So, well worth coming here because we've got the panel for the Saab. Which I wouldn't find anywhere else, and it's just a bonus, it's in such a nice place. So we shall now find a place for some food and go home. Well, there it is. It'll do. Well, it's better than that. So all I need to do on this one is remake the grill bit, or try and salvage what I can off the old one and work from there. But no, the main crux of it, which this is all rotten on the old one, is all there, and it still had the original Saab sticker on it. So it would be nice if this hadn't been cut off in the past, but someone probably used this to repair just the front grill bit and the one they were repairing. But this is going to be the last I do to this for a few weeks because I'm moving into a bigger workshop. Because as you can see, it is quite cluttered in here now. So no, I was offered a bigger one. So I went for it. It's going to be a few hard days of moving stuff over. I've got this one back, I've got the back axle back in this one now, just so I can move it. Because it's a gravelly yard out there. Ice cream truck. Yeah, it's a gravelly yard out there. And little sort of trolley wheels would just fall off probably. So that's the way we should do it.
till the next time. So yeah, next time we get on with this one. I don't think I've done a progress update. Well, you can see I've cut all that off. Lots of holes and patches everywhere. So it's just a case of sorting the sill out, doing the inner arch, and all associated bits there. It is a mess, but it's worth it. So next time we shall do some welding. That'll be fun.